In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear bumper step pad on your Toyota Tundra, located on the rear bumper. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the two screws for the plate light lens on either side. I'm going to use a little pick to pick up on the lock. And remove the light lens. Do the same thing on the other side. Pick up first from here, slide it forward. And remove that. To remove that middle step pad, under the car there's going to be a bunch of plastic tabs. We're going to pinch them together and then push up. And keep going down the line. Once you have all the clips pushed, you can push the front middle bumper pad out, and then we can start working on the side bumper cover. Keep going around until you have all the clips pushed out. With all the clips removed, pick up and pull out the old step pad. Install the new step pad. Line it up. And knock all the clips into place. Install the middle step pad. Make sure that your little pigtails are sticking out. Then line up the clips and clip them into place. Install the connectors into the light lens. Push until you hear a click. This back side goes in first, and then it swivels down. Install your Phillips head screw. Do the same thing on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.